We appreciate the sunshine, spread through every song. You make my heart warm, and my family too. I just want you, sunshine, to know how much we love you. Yeah.
Hello, my sunshines, my lovely sunshines. You make me happy. Hello, hello, hello. Aloha. So today, guys, I thought I would bring you some greens and chicken legs. I guess I really could have done the smash the greens because I do have 2 cups, but I didn't think of it until I actually sat down to do this video. So before we get into the video, please thumbs up the video, like, share, and subscribe. And if you're new here, we would love to have you as one of our sunshines. Thank you for coming back. If you came back to view this channel. And as I say, we would love to have you as one of our sunshines. So how's you guys' good day going today? I hope you're doing okay. I hope you're doing okay. I hope you're doing okay. So as usual, you guys, I just love this seasoning, so I'm going to put some on my greens. See if it helped the taste somewhat. And I did not cook these greens from scratch, guys, so don't think you're getting fresh greens, okay? I just excuse me, I just popped open a can of Glory Greens. These are a can of Glory collard greens. And for the chicken legs, I just put them on the stove and let them boil down. And, since they have its own grease in it, it will fry itself after it boils down to a certain point. And I also have some lemonade. Oh, I'm more thirsty than anything, though, guys. Take first. You take first bite. Can you be quiet, please? Excuse me. Thank you. Take first bite. Okay, the grands are here. Yeah, I really could have done Tam's table, smash the greens. Do you guys like the Glory Greens? I usually doctor them up. When they first came out, they taste better than they do today. So, I don't know. But like with anything, when they first come out, they're awesome. But after a while of selling stuff or getting to where they want to be, they change things. I don't like that. So guys, I try to upload daily around 10 o'clock. My video didn't upload today until like after 11, I think around 11:15 or so, something like that. And I started to upload at 8:15, so I don't know why it took so long. telling you guys, this salt and vinegar seasoning makes everything taste great. All meat, guys. Do you hear the rain? Here comes the rain again. Do you guys remember, what was their name? Baby, talk to me like lovers do. Walk with me like lovers do. I cannot think. Eurythmics. Do you guys remember the Eurythmics? I remember that song. I'm just a music person, guys. Somebody said a word to me, music, or just automatically, music just automatically comes to my head. So that's just the way it is, and all of my children are the same way. People used to say to my girls, "How old did you say you are?" Because you guys seem more mature than your age. Well, that's because of being with their mother. Sometimes that's the way it goes. You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? Ooh. I'm so full, guys. But I'm probably full because, as I'm cooking stuff, I'm tasting it. And, because I don't want to serve anybody anything that I don't like. So, I'm so full. I'm sleepy. But I wanted to bring this video to you guys because I said that I'm going to upload every day at 10 o'clock. So I have to keep my word. But this video will not be long at all because I just don't have the energy. I'm not the energized bunny today. Excuse me. You know that energized bunny that just keeps going around and round and round and round and round. Don't stop. Don't get tired. Well, I'm not that person. I'm not that bunny today. Why do I hear that noise in there? No, I'm not that bunny today, guys. So, remember to thumbs up this video, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Okay? As I say, this is not going to be a long video, but I had to bring it to you. Okay? So I will catch you in the next video, guys. I will probably, maybe tomorrow, if not tomorrow, then Sunday I will upload the Not My Hands challenge and see how that go. I don't know if my grandson is going to do it to me or I do it to him. I don't know how we're going to work this out right now, but we're discussing it. Because like the Batty twins and Wana Eats did it today. Well, she's calling herself the impersonator now, but it still says Wana Eat on her when you pull her up. But she did the Not My Hands challenge today, and it was so funny. so funny. It was probably her mom that was her hands, and she said to whoever her hands was, she said, I probably should have washed my hands because they don't smell too good. And whoever the hands was like smacked her like that. It was so funny. But yeah, I'm gonna see if we can pull that off and make it like very funny, because I want it to be funny. Hopefully it'll go viral. But I don't know. We'll see. We might do 2 sets of Not My Hands. So we'll see. We'll see what tomorrow. Well, we would tape it tomorrow. We would record it tomorrow, and it will probably upload on Sunday. So we'll see what happens. I can do it now because I got the ring light. So all I got to do is put my hand up there like you see everybody doing now. Okay, guys. I know this is a boring video. Because as I say, I'm tired. All right, then. Catch you in the next video. Bye, 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 bye.
Bye, 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 bye.